Hello, girls and boys. Welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this class, we'll be learning problem number 6 in exercise 1.5. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. It would be helpful for you. Now we can see the question number 6. Let f of x equals x square minus 1. Find f of f and f of f. In this question, what is given? F of x is given. We need to find out f of f, and one more question is there, that is f of f. This is also coming under the topic of composition of functions. If you understand the basic concept of composition of functions, you'll be able to solve this problem. That basic video is in the description. Do check it out. After watching that video, this problem will be very easy for you. Now we can start solving this problem. Here I have written the question. Here the question is, let f of x equals x square minus 1. Find f of f and f of f. For the solution, I have written the given data. What is given in the question? F of x, that is x square minus 1. Next, what had been asked in the question? F of f, right? The first sub question is f of f. So now we can find the solution for f of f. Sorry, f of f, right? How we can expand this? F of x. We can write f of f as f of x. Okay, if you learn this basic concept of composition of functions, you can solve this problem. So if you haven't watched that video, go and watch that video first. After learning the concept, you can solve this problem. Here, what would be the next step? We should apply the value of f of x here, right? What is f of x? That is x square minus 1. Then what would be next step? According to the basics, we have to, here f is given, right? So we should consider f of x. F of x formula. What is f of x formula? X square minus 1. In this formula, we should apply x square minus 1 in place of x, right? In this formula, we should replace x by this value, x square minus 1. So, what would be the next step? Here, x square minus 1. So, here what is x? X square minus 1. This minus 1. Sorry. X value is x square minus 1, right? Here square is given, so we need to put square also. Then this minus 1, right? And then we should simplify this. After simplification, what would be the answer? Here this is the form of a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square. What is the answer of a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Here what is a, what is b, what is a? A is x square, right? B is minus 1. According to this formula, we need to change this. So what would be the next step? A square minus 2ab. Here what is x? A square x power 4, right? Then minus 2ab. 2 into what is a? X square. B 1, right? Then plus b square means plus 1, right? 1 square is 1. So we can separate this. This is for rough use. And what would be the next step? X power 4 minus 2x square. And also we should put this minus 1 also, right? Don't forget. And plus 1 minus 1. So from this we can cancel plus 1 and minus 1. So that we will be getting x power 4 minus 2x square. This is the answer of f of f, right? Yes. Then this is the answer of f of f. Next, what we need to find out? F of f. 3f. So next sub question is f of f. How we can expand this? F of x, right? So in next step we should apply the formula. We should apply the value of f of x. What is f of x in the question? In the question, x square minus 1. That is given in the question. F of x is x square minus 1. So here I am applying x square minus 1, right? Next, in next step, what should be the next step? Here, what we are going to do is we should consider this part. Okay, here f is given, right? So we should consider f of x formula. In f of x formula, we are going to replace x by this value. Okay, so this is x square minus 1, right? In this formula, we should apply this x square minus 1 in place of x. So what would be the next answer? Next line, x square. X square means here what is x? X square minus 1, right? That the whole square. This minus 1, right? And f of, then we should simplify this. Here just we can take this as a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square. Okay, what is a here? X square. Same thing what we have done before. B is 1. So according to the formula, what would be the answer? X square minus 2ab. What is x square? X power 4 minus 2 into a. What is a? X square. 2ab. B value is 1. Plus b square, 1 square, right? And this minus 1. And next, what would be the value? We can simplify like 2 into x square into 1 minus 2x square. This plus 1 minus 1. So next, we can cancel plus 1. If we are removing the brackets, we can cancel plus 1 and minus 1. So I'm removing the brackets like x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 minus 1. So I'm cancelling plus 1 and minus 1. What I'm getting now? F of x power 4 minus 2x square. This is the answer I'm getting, right? Now, what we have to do, here f is given, right? So we should consider, again we should consider f of x square minus 1, right? In this formula, we should apply this value in place of x. So here x square, what is x here? X power 4 minus 2x square, the whole square minus 1, right? No need to expand this. No need to simplify more this line. No need to simplify this line again. This is enough. Okay, this is the answer of f of f 3f. This is the answer of f of f. So we have solved two subquestions, f of f and f of f. This is very easy if you understand the basic concept. Okay. This is the answer of problem number 6 in exercise 1.5. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with someone who might get benefit out of it. And for more updates, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.